Winter presents unique challenges. Don't let your guard down. A well-prepared boat is crucial for a safe and enjoyable winter trip. Start with the essentials. Inspect every system. Mechanical and electrical components need attention. A small issue can become a big problem on the water. Battery care is paramount. Cold temperatures drain battery power fast. Bring your battery inside if possible. This ensures a full charge. A trickle charger is another option. Consider a solar panel for long-term maintenance. A dead battery leaves you stranded. Your engine needs attention too. Cold weather makes it harder to start. Schedule a tune-up. Address any repairs. Antifreeze is vital. It prevents freezing and damage. Winterize your engine and pipes. This prevents costly repairs later. Don't forget the fuel system. Add fuel stabilizer. This prevents fuel from degrading. Bad fuel can ruin your trip. A well-maintained boat is a safe boat. The cold is unforgiving. Equip your crew for the elements. Layers are essential. Start with a base layer. Add insulating layers. Top it off with waterproof outerwear. Don't skimp on gear. Footwear is crucial. Insulated, waterproof boots are a must. Wet feet lead to hypothermia. Gloves are non-negotiable. Choose waterproof and insulated options. Protect your hands from the elements. A hat is your best friend. Most heat is lost through the head. A warm hat is essential. Pack extra hats. They're easy to lose. A warm crew is a happy crew. Entertainment is key. Long trips can be tedious. Pack books, magazines, and games. Keep everyone engaged. This prevents boredom and boosts morale. A prepared crew is a resilient crew. Winter boating demands respect. Study local weather patterns. Conditions change rapidly. Be ready for anything. Knowledge is your best defense. Know your limits. Don't push yourself or your crew. Be realistic about your skills. Turn back if needed. Pride has no place in winter boating. Safety comes first. Test the waters. Before a long trip, take a short one. This tests your boat and crew. Identify any issues early. Practice makes perfect. A prepared mind is a sharp mind. Plan your route. Share it with someone you trust. Include your estimated return time. This is your float plan. It's your lifeline in an emergency. Never underestimate the power of planning. Safety is paramount. Conduct a safety briefing before each trip. Cover emergency procedures. Discuss cold water survival. Communication is key. Practice makes perfect. Man overboard drills are vital. Practice in calm conditions. Everyone needs to know their role. Speed is essential in a real situation. Be prepared to act quickly. Carry a first aid kit. Stock it for cold weather injuries. Hand and foot warmers are essential. Hypothermia can set in quickly. Be prepared to treat it. Have multiple communication devices. A VHF radio is a must. Flares signal distress. A personal locator beacon, PLB, pinpoints your location. Don't rely on one method. Redundancy saves lives.